If I ask you, which types of girls do you like to marry?
Still didn't decide that.
Like I'm giving to example, like engineer, doctor,
First
IAS officers, a leader, and businessman. Yeah, simple. They don't. They are. She is not doing anything.
I will marriage with those girls
Uh,
who respect my parents. Simple.
Simple.
It doesn't matter whether he is doing job or not. But
Like
those girls will respect my parents, my mother, my father.
mm.
I will get married with that girl.
That girls.
Yes.
Like you haven't decided like a IAS officer. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends. A warm welcome to all of you, my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do practice English speaking. Like we are doing practice to do how to speak English and how to talk in English. So I have so many question, and he has also so many question. He will also ask during the conversation, and I will also ask. Just you can listen what are the questions I'm asking, and you should also improve your listening skills as well as speaking skills. So first of all मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा इंग्लिश में ही, ज़्यादा मैं यूज करूंगा इंग्लिश और हिंदी कम यूज करूंगा क्योंकि ये प्रैक्टिस है इंग्लिश का. So first of all, my dear friends, how are you?
I am fine. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I'm also doing great. So right now, what do you do?
Right now, I am a student. I am pursuing my degree, biomedical engineering.
Oh,
And what about you?
I'm also doing here engineering, but my stream is different. I'm doing here aeronautical engineering.
Okay.
Mm.
Why did you choose the aeronautical department?
See, when I was in child, 12 years old,
Okay.
12 years old, that time I had a dream to go in this field, but that time I don't know how to go there.
Okay.
So it takes time to reach there, and it will also take time to reach my dream also. So in this field is very good for me. Whatever I'm studying and learning for interesting purpose. That's why I choose this department.
Okay. After completing your degree,
Hmm.
what is your aim? Where you want to go?
For see, after completing my degree, I will be a good person in my life.
Okay, that's good.
That's for every students. Earning money and getting money is not big deal for me. So first, you should be a good person in your life. You should respect the parents as well as your friend, friend and colleagues. So what those who are with you, if you respect, definitely they are respect you. They will also respect you. These things I'll consider, and then after that I'll go for job in this field and in another field also. It doesn't mean ki I'll go any same field. I'll go any field, whatever the job is there. Then after that, I'll go for my own business.
Okay.
That business is maybe come in future. Not I will not tell you now, but that business is secret. After getting money, then I will start.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Do you have any question for
Yeah,
me?
I have also a question for you. So, how old are you right now?
I'm 21.
21,
Yeah.
maybe 21, 22.
Yeah, maybe 21, 20.
And so in this age, yeah, I think you sometimes you feel like that in this age, my friend and my village people, my friend circle, those who are in this way, they get married, they got marriage, they have some kid, and I am right now single. So what do you think right now about that thing?
No, these things I didn't think that. I sometimes I also see that those student and those friend, those who are studying with me, they got marriage. They has also a small child. So I saw sometime I start laughing that see they was studying with me and now he has
married.
he got married and he has a lots of child.
Lots of child.
Lots of child means 1, 2, 3, maybe 2 or 3. You know the Indian culture.
Yeah.
Not a single children is there. More than 2 children is there nowadays.
So have you ever think that ki I'll do also marriage with someone?
See, I didn't think about that after completing my degree or I will get married. I never think like that because everyone has a dream to achieve something. now I am pursuing my degree. So I'm thinking that first I will settle in my life, because still now I am surviving on my parents' money.
Me
I
also.
don't have a single rupee.
Me too also.
Still now I'm not earning a single rupees. I'm staying and spending those all the money from my parents. So I thought that, and I also decide that first I will settle in my life, then I will
That is
go to
also nice for
marriage.
everyone. If you are settled, so many person and bride family and will come to you your home. Bride बोलते हैं ना लड़की वाले घर को क्या बोलते हैं?
ब्राइड बोलते हैं.
हाँ आएंगे आपके यहाँ शादी के लिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा and there is one situational question if you are not there so where you will be अगर आप यहाँ नहीं होते तो कहाँ होते
See, honestly, I'm saying that if I will be not there, if I
हाँ
will not study, so definitely somewhere I start to earning money like 20,000, 15,000, 30,000, like that.
and then you maybe you get got marriage also
Maybe, yeah, maybe not, definitely got marriage. Because while studying now, you have a chance, you have a time, you will get lots of time duration in the marriage. And if you are not studying, you are earning money, your parents will also
think about
think
you.
about that.
He's earning
Okay,
money.
he's earning money. Let's do
Marriage.
marriage. Like
That
that happens.
yeah happening. I have also seen in my friend circle, girls. Most of the girls they got marriage. Boys also. Boys also he has also kid in 5 and 6 years old like that.
Okay.
He has a kid also, and girls also. One of my friend, she is Chanda Kumari. Her name is Chanda Kumari. She is making nowadays reels, and I saw her Facebook. Okay, she's making. She got married, and she's making reels, and her child also making like a reels. She said, "Bolo hi guys, how are you?" Okay, see how they are, how she is, and how they are. She is teaching to uh, her children also. Okay, good, nice. Continue it. Sometimes I like it that the what they're speaking. Sometimes I comment, oh yeah, nice, good job, you and your child also.
The same things happen with me also. Uh, I can't say my friend, but one of my classmate, that is girl, she was also studying with me. But she got married. I'm studying here, and she make a profile on the Instagram. She used to make a video
Okay.
with their children. 2 or 3 children is having. They make a video, and every day start to posting on the link Instagram. Instagram. I saw, and I respond, and I start laughing. Sometimes see, still I'm here, and someone is
got married. They are enjoying life. See for boys girls they have a lots of difficulty to do marriage, and they have a lots of like management. And what you say in Hindi, पूरा जिम्मेवारी को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? Responsibility. They have for boys lots of have responsibility to take care family, brother, sister, and for girls I don't think that much have that much responsibility to do everything. After they getting after she is studying, after they maybe get married, and might be they are going for higher study.
Yes.
But most of the times what I saw, they get married and they are starting his new life from there also.
Yeah.
But for boys case is not like that.
Yeah, you also know that being a boy is not normal.
Normal.
It's a big deal.
Big deal.
Very hard work.
Very hard.
Why I'm saying that, you also know the example that see, you are boy, you are studying, still you are studying, and in upcoming future, if you will not
settle, if you
will not set your life, see that who girl will marriage with you.
No, I see very few types of girls. First, they will ask you how much.
I know that some girls will marriage you, but which type of girls will marriage you?
That is also a very
big deal.
big deal. See, if you are whatever you are studying, doesn't matter, engineering, doctor,
Yeah.
medical, anything. If you are settled in any field, definitely any family parents will allow you to go for marriage.
Marriage.
Marriage also, those who are not study, they are also they are getting marriage. It's not like that. If the person they are not study and they are not doing any his life, they also get marriage. like हर इंसान को भी यह होता है
Yes.
लाइफ में. डिपेंड करता है किस तरह के कैसे से होता है. लेवल में देखा जाता है. it's it's totally about the level.
And one example is also that if you are a boy,
Mm.
you have to be settled in your life at any cost.
Any
But
cost.
being a girls, if you
Mm.
are not settled in your life, you
Mm.
have a two choice.
Mm.
Either you can settle in your life,
Mm.
or
Yeah, either can you.
unfortunately,
Mm.
if you will not set in your life,
Mm.
then any boys will get married.
Mm. Yeah, there is one quote will come. Either you, if the girls is there, either you can settle your life. Yeah,
Same.
you can settle with someone life.
Someone lives. Yeah.
That is one quote will come. Yeah, you can, you have a two option. Girls for have a two option.
Yeah.
You can choose your life. Otherwise, you can go with another person
Another
life.
person.
But for boys,
Only
they
one
have
option.
only one option. You have to be settled in your life. Otherwise, you are in crowd field. So after coming fewer, you will face lots of problem
Lots of
and difficulty, everything. Yeah, it's
You
true.
can't manage your life in future.
It's true, and it is very difficult to do everything manage.
Yeah.
Very difficult. You cannot because of money. You all these things, like whatever you have happiness things, whatever you want in your life, that all these things will destroy you because of the money. Money will change your life also, money will destroy your life also.
Yeah.
Have you seen why I'm telling to you money will destroy your life? Because of money you will do lots of hard work, and that hard work you will never think about the where my passion, where I have to enjoy. I have seen the people are doing 12 hours, 15 hours hard work. See, after doing coming hard work, night time, daytime, they are working, coming, eating, and sleeping. There is no any his life to enjoy any other thing. I have seen, and also in the engineer and so many doctors I have seen. Also they are working very hard work, but the his life is different compared to other people. Those who are educated and non-educated person.
Yes, yes, yes.
That is also good. So in coming future, what do you think?
What I'm thinking, first I will